Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working on this 99 Pontiac Trans Am that I just recently picked up. I was going to do a video with everything that I need to do, all the little stuff that needs to be fixed, but I decided that I'm going to do each thing individually, just in case somebody's actually looking for these repairs. They can find them individually and not be looking at one video there where I fixed like 10 things. So today we're going to be addressing the turn signals. It has a problem with the turn signals. What are the odds that I would get another car that has a problem with turn signals? But the problem is that, you turn the turn signals one way and it works, it flashes, and then the other way it just stays solid. So to the left works fine, to the right just stays solid. So this is more than likely going to be our flasher relay that's bad, and the flasher relay is going to be right under here on the driver's side, under the steering column. So to get to the flasher, we should just need a Phillips head screwdriver and probably a 7mm socket. That's usually what these are, but I think mine's already missing this bottom piece. When I picked it up, he gave me a bunch of parts, and there's a lot of plastic pieces that were removed. So maybe they tried already to replace the flasher, and we'll see that right now when I get in there. But yeah, so Phillips head and more than likely 7mm. I'll see in a second what we end up needing. So here's what you should have needed: is a 7mm, Phillips head screwdriver, and then possibly a flathead just in case. But as you can see in here, mine already has that bottom plastic taken off, so we don't need to take that off. And that's the one that would have taken the 7mm. And I could see that there's some screws in here, so these might have been, yeah, here's one of them. So since we don't have to take off that bottom piece, we're just gonna get this one off and yeah, see if we can get to the flasher. There's the 7 down here. And now this comes down. Let's see, there we go. Now let's get this connector off too. Now this can be moved out of the way. And let's see, our flasher should be this guy right here. This one. Looks like there's something else on this side, but I don't think that's our flasher. I'm pretty sure this is the one we need. I just went to O'Reilly's and got this one. It looks a lot bigger than what's in there, and it's plastic. That one's that's in there is metal, but I mean, as long as it works, who cares, right? So let's see if this will come off like this. Nope. All right, that's what I needed the screwdriver for. So now let's pop our new one in. So now we got our new one on, and we just got to make sure that before we put everything back that it works. So put our key in there. Bam. So it was my right turn signal that didn't work before. Now we're all good. Now just get everything put back together, reverse order, and yeah, that's really it. I mean, if we could have found another one like this one, probably would have been better, so it fits better in that area, but it doesn't bother me. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully this helps you out with your Trans Am. hopefully you guys tag along for the next couple videos. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.